Oh, you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the south, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jasmine, and welcome back, you guys. It is a new year, 2025, and we all know what that means. We need to go ahead and do that prayer/vision board, y'all. So that's what I got you guys here for today. So I'm using Canva to make my digital vision board, and I also went on Pinterest to find a few of my pictures that I'm using today. I'm sure all of them are from Pinterest, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so the first thing I do, I take all my quotes/scriptures, pictures, and I organize them around the whole board. So I have a few goals or habits I wanted to get into this year, and one of those habits are getting more into reading books. I just don't know what I want to read. Like, I want to get more into like romance, and I don't know. You guys just give me some book recommendations and I will definitely check them out. But I'm definitely into like drama, romance. I'm not really into like fantasy. I hate to say like horror, but like zombie apocalypse or something. But yeah. I also wanted to start working out more, get more consistent with my content and my small business. Because your girl been doing it for a few years now, but I'm actually trying to take it seriously. Well, I'm not saying I haven't been taking it seriously, but I want to take it more seriously. Like, I want this to be more of a priority, and it's going to give me a return in the long run. But yeah, another thing, I definitely wanted to travel, like for real this year. Like, I want to get on a cruise ship, because I've never been on a cruise ship, and I think that should be a goal for me, definitely for my 25th birthday. Like, this is the year, y'all, for real. I also wanted to get more into me, like getting back into like my hobbies, like singing, like songwriting, dancing, just a little bit of different stuff. I definitely want to get back into fishing. Not saying I've stopped, it's cold right now, y'all, and yeah, your girl don't do the cold. So we're gonna have to wait till the spring come back around to do that. But yeah, but your girl trying to be more aesthetically pleasing out there. You know, have my pink fishing rod or whatever. I also wanted to start doing more collaborations, like doing brand deals and things like that, and start getting more into like my media kit. Like, I have one, but it's kind of overdue, so I need to do more. I also wanted to start investing in like party planning, or more so party decorating. I think that would be a great hustle for me to get into. I also want to get back into like crypto and day trading. I think those would definitely help me out in the long run, because I am a girly that wants to have passive income, because I am just not a person to be at work. Like, I work hard, don't get me wrong, but a lot of people that I work around don't have the mindset that I have, and it's frustrating. So yeah, I want to get more into business for myself. So I really need to learn to make myself more of a priority. I also want to focus more on Jesus, definitely building my relationship, getting in the word every day, and not just reading my verses of the day, but reading a chapter a day, or reading, you know, just a few verses here and there. Just get more into like feeding my spirit. But I think I've covered all the bases for this year, you guys. It's not really much. I don't want to overwhelm myself this year, because I know I can pile a lot on myself and not get nothing done. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, because your girl is going up, and the goal this year is definitely to get monetized, and we're gonna go for it, and we're gonna reach it, y'all. Thank you guys for staying tuned. I love you all. Make sure you guys stay blessed, and your girl is out. Peace.